Hello everybody. So today we are going to be going over the lower GI tract. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says lower GI tract. We have a link for the reading. We have my email you can send your assignments to, and we have the practice questions. So let's get into this. So in our lower GI tract, one of the organs is the large intestine, and we have a lot of bacteria in there, but they're helpful bacteria that help us digest things. So the small intestine is part of the GI tract between the stomach and the large intestine. It is called small because it is much smaller in diameter than the large intestine. All right. Structurally and functionally, we can divide the small intestine into three parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ilium. So here they are in picture form. So the duodenum is the first part. It is directly connected to the stomach. It's the shortest part of the small intestine. Its main function is chemical digestion, and it is where most of the chemical digestion in the whole GI tract takes place. All right. And it talks about how it digests certain nutrients, each with their unique enzymes, and I'll let you go over that on your own. The jejunum is the middle part of the intestine. It connects the other two parts of the small intestine. Its main function is absorption of the products of digestion. So when carbohydrates and proteins and fats get chemically digested, they're actually broken down into sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids. And the jejunum absorbs these molecules. All right. The ileum is the third and final part of the small intestine. It is connected to the large intestine. So in the ileum is going to secrete enzymes that catalyze the final stages of digestion. So they digest any undigested protein and carbohydrate molecules. The large intestine is the last organ in the GI tract. It is going to absorb water and salts, and the body is going to be able to recycle those. And it is also going to be able to absorb some vitamins, and then it's going to store your waste until your waste gets expelled. So the large intestine can be divided into several parts. Most of it is going to be called the colon. So we have the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. All right. So I already went over that. So hopefully that makes sense. Make sure you turn in your finish your questions and turn them into me.